Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. This is a very short video. I would like to update you on my current progress and also show you the completed diamond painting kit from brand Crystal Creations. My daughter finished it. This kit was purchased at TJ Maxx a few months ago for $6, and what I liked about it was the fact that it already had a completed diamond painting on the preview. And I really like the color combination and the detailization. I also like the fact that it comes with crystal drills, and I decided to purchase it for my daughter for Christmas. So yesterday she completed this kit, and as you can see, unfortunately the color of the completed kit doesn't match the colors that are displayed on the preview. Although this is a completed kit, like this is a photo of a completed kit. This is not a drawing of the tiger. This is not like an original artwork. And although it looks more or less okay, I'm really very disappointed in color combination. It doesn't look as detailed and as realistic as on the preview picture. Just look at the nose, right? The nose is like, this area is more pinkish, over here it's yellowish, and the whole nose kind of blends in together, and it doesn't really look that detailed as on the original picture. As to the crystals, they were okay quality. I cannot say that they are super sparkly. They're just, I would say, generic crystal drills that you can purchase at AliExpress. Most likely my daughter will give it away as a gift to one of her teachers, but just heads up to you, be mindful when purchasing this brand that the preview picture not always matches the completed result. So that's how it looks. Now she's planning to start this butterfly from the same brand. This kit comes only with acrylic drills, but most likely we will replace a few drills, I'm sorry for the cracking sound, with ABs and maybe with some crystals. From what I see, the colors match the rendering, but you never know. So that's how it's supposed to turn out. So now let me show you the process I'm working on right now. And it is this gorgeous Christmas kit from European brand WIP. I got it as a gift from my friend from Germany. She just sent it to me along with two other kits. And although I'm kind of tired of diamond painting Christmas related designs, because I've been doing it for the past 6 months, I really missed, first of all, round drills, because again, the majority of the diamond paintings that I've been doing contained square drills. But to tell the truth, out of all the diamond paintings that I have, I really wanted to diamond paint this one. And this is the only kit where I made lots of customizations. I think I have never had a kit where I would replace so many colors. I diamond painted only this small area, and in this small area I already replaced 5 colors with crystals, with neon drills, with opal drills, AB drills, etc. And I'm planning to enhance it with more on the rest of the picture, especially on the Christmas tree. I do like how it's turning out. It is a full round drill kit in the size of 40 by 60 centimeters. It contains a lot of details, and along with customization, I'm thinking of doing some changes in it. For example, the snow, as you can see, snow over here is kind of weird. Like, what is it? What is this round thing? I don't know, maybe of course it is the moon, but I doubt that. Sometimes the snowflakes are way too massive here, or for example this one is just a way too massive snowflake, and it looks weird that snow falls only until the middle of the picture. I do not see snow falling over here, for example, or over here on the house, so most likely I will add a few white color on the house and on the areas over here where the snow is supposed to fall down, unless it just started. Not sure, but I want to add this to this picture as well, and make a few snowflakes on the top a little bit smaller than they appear on the image. So I also finished diamond painting succulents from Diamond Dots. I haven't posted a post review because I'm waiting for the frame, because as you know, I prefer to show not only the finished result but also the framed result in one video. It's just easier for me and more convenient when I record my annual post review. So once I get the frames, I order it on Amazon. I'm not sure what's happening on Amazon. With Amazon, I do not have Prime, but it takes them a pretty long time to even ship. I mean, I ordered it like on Wednesday maybe. It's Saturday, and they haven't even shipped my frames yet, which is very weird. So I hope I will receive them next week, and as soon as I do, I will record a post review of succulents. I hope I'm pronouncing them correctly, and frame this picture right away. And one more reason why I decided to diamond paint this very kit is this frame that I purchased exclusively for this design, this golden frame, the same size as the diamond painting. So I will frame it right away as soon as I complete it. So I hope it will be fun for you to see it is this kit framed as well. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon.